A worker makes $20 per hour for the first 40 hours that he works in a week. He will make $30 per hour for any hours worked above 40 hours a week. How many total whole number of hours would he have to work if he makes $1,045 in a week? Okay, we can assume X as a number of hours he has to work in a week to make $1,045. And also let me draw an horizontal line segment over here, and let me mark 3 points on the horizontal line segment. One is A over here, another one is B over here, and the last one is C over here. And I assume the total length of this horizontal line segment is X. That is the number of hours he has to work to make $1,045. So the length of this horizontal line segment represents the X hours. And length of this line segment AB represents the first 40 hours. We can assume, okay, if the length of this line segment AB is 40, then what is the length of this line segment BC? To get the length of this line segment BC, we have to subtract the length of the line segment AB, that is 40, from the complete length X. Then we get X negative 40. So here this line segment AB represents the first 40 hours, and this line segment BC represents additional hours apart from the first 40 hours. That is X negative 40 hours. Okay, according to the information, it makes $20 per hour for the first 40 hours. Okay, now let's find the income earned in the first 40 hours. For that, we have to multiply the amount earned per hour by the number of hours. Let's multiply, that is 20 times 40. So this is the amount he earns for the first 40 hours. Okay, now let's find the amount earned in the additional hours. For that, we have to multiply the amount earned per hour, that is 30, and the number of additional hours, X negative 40. Let me multiply them, 30 times X negative 40. Okay, this is the amount earned in the first 40 hours, and this is the amount earned in the additional hours. When we add them, we get the total income. According to the given information, the total income is 1,045. So this expression must be equal to 1,045. Now let's solve for X. Our aim is to find the value of X, which is the number of hours required to make $1,045, and also X has to be a whole number according to the given information. Anyways, let's solve for X in this equation. 20 times 40 is 800. We can distribute 30 to X, then we get 30X. Positive times negative is negative. 30 times 40 is 1,200 equals to 1,045. Okay, 30X. When I combine 800 negative 1,200, I am getting negative 400. On the right side, we have 1,045. Okay, let me add 400 to both sides of the equation. Then this negative 400, positive 400 will cancel out. I am getting 30X on the left side. On the right side, we get 1,445. Okay, now let me divide both sides by 30. Then this 30 will cancel out. I am getting X on the left side. On the right side, when I divide this 1,445 by 30, I am getting 48.166. It keeps going. Okay, so here I got the value of X, but here the value of X is not a whole number. It's 48.166. It keeps going on. So if he wants to make $1,045 in a week, he has to work for 48.16 hours. So clearly the number of hours he needs to work is greater than 48 hours. Since we need to find the total whole number of hours he has to work to make $1,045, we have to consider the first whole number which is greater than 48.16. That is 49. So clearly he has to work 49 hours to make $1,045. We find 49 in answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A.